Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You're here with your girl Jamaican Kim. So today I'll be teaching you how to get the measurements to make your own mask to fit your face. Hit the thumbs up, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, turn on your post notification and drop me a comment. Let's get into the video. First thing first, you're gonna need some papers. You're gonna need a pen or a pencil. You're gonna need a ruler, and you're gonna need a inch measure. All right, so let's begin. Yes guys, so we're gonna take our tape measure from the center part of our nose straight across our cheekbones over to our sideburn, and my measurement measures 5.5 inch. So the 5.5 inch, we're gonna do it in square. So we're gonna do straight across 5.5 inch, and we're going to do it down the other side 5.5 inch. And we're going to repeat all the sides, going to be equal 5.5 inches. Now we're going to measure the side of our nose, and we're going to do 1 inch. So we're going to measure from the corner 1 inch. We're going to mark it. Now we're going to measure the length of our nose. So we're going to measure from the top down to the bottom, and we're using centimeter, and mine measures 4 centimeter. So I'm going to mark it. So now we're going to measure from the bottom of our nose straight down to the bottom of our lips, and mine measures 6 centimeters. So we're going to do the measurements on the paper from where we stop with the nose. We're going to measure from there 6 centimeter, and we're going to mark it. Now what I did was I set my ruler across, and I just mark the same marking that I did for the nose. I mark it on the other side. I'm doing the same thing for the mouth, marking on the other side. Now I'm measuring the chin size, the chin length. So mine measures 4 centimeters. So I'm gonna mark it. So that's the length that's gonna go underneath the chin. That's the amount of length that I want underneath the chin. So I'm marking it. So now we're gonna connect these markings for the nose. We're just gonna connect them. Draw a line to connect them. So right now we're going to join the marking from the nose to the chin, and that's going to give you the length from your nose, from the bottom of your nose to your chin, to underneath your chin. That's going to give you the length. Some people prefer it a little bit shorter. I want mine to go underneath my chin, so I know my mask is secure and my mouth is secure. So that's the measurement from the bottom of the nose to the chin. We're gonna connect them. So we connected them, and right now we're gonna do the top connections. As you see in the video, going straight across. This way is the easiest way to know the size for your mask, to know the size for your face. And that part will be the ears, where you're going to put your elastic band. So we're going to do the same for the bottom. From the chin, go back to the ears. We're just going to connect them. So now we have all measurement size. So what we're going to do now is we're going to have our pen or pencil. You're going to take the marking from the top and just do a freehand curve shape right across from the marking of the top of our nose straight down to the bottom of our chin. Just a freehand curve shape, and that's how you get the rounded shape at the front of your mask, from your nose to your chin. Very, very easy, guys. 1, 2, 3 steps. Very, very easy. And we're gonna cut along the sides. Do this pattern. To get this pattern, you can put it on your fabric. You can use the pin. Oops, too close. Use a pin to hold it down, and you cut along the way on your fabric, or you can set it on your fabric and you can trace it with some chalk or whatever you have. And guys, if you want to know how to get the pattern to cut out on the fabric and how to join the pieces of fabrics together, there is a video on my channel. I'm going to put the link down in the description for you, so you just follow the steps and you'll be on your way. And if you want the design of the zipper mask, there's also a video on my channel showing you step by step how to get it done. So guys, I hope you all enjoy. Don't forget to leave a comment, thumbs up, and make sure that you're subscribed. Thanks for watching.